excuse my appearance. I'm getting ready to go do some plein air, and I know I overpacked. I have way too much stuff, but my thought is I can weed things out this time at this location that I don't use, and then next time I can travel lighter. So that's the plan anyway. And my backpack's heavy. But I'll see you in a bit. Even though I thought I overpacked, I walked out without my colored pencils, my watercolor pencils, and my watercolors. So it looks like it's going to be markers and pen and ink. The buzzards are circling. I wound up doing just some quick sketches to finish up a sketchbook, and I'll have a separate video on me flipping through those images of the entire sketchbook. But the location I'm at is so cool. There's this huge sculpture of a spider. I wound up taking a bunch of just reference photos of things around me that I found interesting that I might use later, and I took them back to the studio to use them. I'm back in the car, obviously. You know, I happened to bring that. It's like a solar power backup battery that I have. I have never used it before, and I needed it today. My battery on my phone, I got the like 20% warning when I got there, so I wouldn't have been able to video or much of anything. I'm really thirsty, and I know I'm going to be sunburned, but I stopped at a Sonic. If you know, you know. Best drinks around. I didn't get anything that was like totally magnificent, but it was fun. It was a good experience, and I'll do a sketchbook flip through at some point soon, where you can see. I keep checking to make sure the car hop's not coming. Like I said, it's nothing spectacular, but it was a really good experience. So, and now I know what to bring and what not to bring. So I'll see you soon. If you are familiar with drawing, you know the concept of working from large to small, using light and dark to create form, making lines that have interest and texture, and that's a technical term. Each drawing took me about 30 minutes. They're not real precise drawings. They're more like studies, but they scratch the itch, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to take you through those. I've had this interest in trees. We have this park that's nearby, and it's recently been designated a state park. At one time, it was a cement factory quarry, and nearby town took over the care of the land. I don't remember the whole gist of it, but anyway, nature took over this quarry, and there's amazing wildlife and fauna. Is it plants? Really cool plants. There's these trees that have been cut back at one time or another for making trails or for whatever reason. And they've got really interesting scars on their trunks, and they intrigue me. I have this want to do a series of just examining this and thinking about it. So I'm starting with drawings, but I want to explore this in other mediums. So next time I'll probably get out my oil pastels, because the mushiness, I can just see the textures and and hopefully you'll find this interesting or entertaining or whatever it is that you need. And if you have any questions or If you are also obsessed lately or whenever with this subject matter, just let me know in the comments. Is there a subject matter that you're currently obsessed with? Is there something that you just, just whatever it is. What is it that you are currently having an itch over that you want to create and you want to make?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
I may or may not have been looking all over my house for these glasses. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. The support of the viewers, I can't put it into words. I really can't. Knowing that I get to do what I love to do and somebody else enjoys watching me do it is a thrill that you can only know if you're in that position. So I thank you for watching. I appreciate you more than I can say. I'm trying to grow this channel. As I am filming this, I am 290 watch hours away from being monetized. So hopefully in the near future, when I talk to you, I'll be able to say, yeah, we did it. We did it. If you have any questions or anything, just pop them down below and I will be happy to answer. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Take care, be safe, and go be creative.
All will be okay. I move on each and every